Ever wondered when the right time is to transition your little one from breastfeeding to solid food? This can be a tricky decision, but fear not. This guide will walk you through the process in easy-to-follow steps. First things first, it's essential to know when to start introducing solid food. Generally, experts recommend starting this transition when your baby is around 6 months old. This is typically when babies are developmentally ready to handle a wider range of textures and nutrients. Remember, every child is unique, and the timing may vary slightly. The second step involves introducing purees or mashed food. Start with foods that are easy to digest, such as banana, apple, and sweet potato. At this stage, solid food is more about getting your baby used to different tastes and textures, rather than replacing breast milk or formula. Next, it's time to gradually increase the variety of foods. This is the perfect opportunity to introduce your little one to a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Include soft, cooked veggies and ripe fruits. This will help your baby develop a liking for different flavors and also provide essential vitamins and minerals. The fourth step is about introducing proteins. Once your baby has mastered fruits and vegetables, you can start to include pureed or finely chopped meat, fish, tofu, or cooked beans. Remember to introduce one new food at a time to monitor any allergic reactions. The final step in this transition is to start offering finger foods. This is usually around the time when your baby can sit up unaided and has the hand-eye coordination to pick up objects. Finger foods can be small pieces of soft fruits, vegetables, or cheese. Now let's briefly recap the main points discussed. The transition from breastfeeding to solid food usually begins around 6 months. Start with purees or mashed foods, gradually increase the variety, and then introduce proteins. Finally, when your baby is ready, introduce finger foods. This process might seem daunting at first, but remember, it's a gradual transition. Your baby will still be receiving most of their nutrition from breast milk or formula during the initial stages. Remember, patience is key. Some babies take to solids like a duck to water, while others might need a little more time. It's all about finding a balance that works for you and your baby. So, ready to embark on this exciting journey? With these easy-to-follow steps, transitioning your little one from breastfeeding to solid food can be a smooth and enjoyable process. Good luck! In this next scene, we want to remind you of the importance of being part of our community. If you found this video helpful, please press that like button. It helps us know that we're on the right track with our content. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on any of our future videos on baby care, nutrition, and so much more. Remember, we're here to support you on this journey of parenthood. Your interaction and feedback are invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts, experiences, and any questions you might have in the comments section below. Thank you for being part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more content that supports you and your little one.